Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're learning about one of the most important verbs in English, the verb to be in the present simple tense. The verb to be is super important because we use it to describe ourselves, others, and things around us. The verb to be in the present simple tense takes three forms: am, are, and is. We use am with I, are with we, you, and they, and is with he, she, and it. Let's go over the full forms of the verb to be. We say, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. These are the full forms used in the present simple tense. Now let's practice together. Listen carefully and repeat the full forms after me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Great. Repeat this as many times as you need to feel confident. Now, let's look at the short forms of the verb to be. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your. He is becomes he's. She is becomes she's. It is becomes its. We are becomes we're. And they are becomes their. These short forms are used in everyday conversation. Now let's practice together. Listen carefully and repeat the short forms with the examples after me. I'm a girl. You're a human. He's a doctor. She's a teacher. It's an elephant. We're students. You're students. They're students. Great. Repeat this as many times as you need to feel confident. Let's review. Here are the full and short forms of the verb to be in the present simple tense. Make sure to practice using both forms. That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Keep practicing and see you next time.